with our sink is now working. Our disposable with our sink is now it's working. My husband, nothing he did is just only pushing the hammer. They scared. He said that they scared it. They will be making digging, dig, hammering, hammer, destroying destroying it. Oh, so much. I'm so happy it's working now. I'm glad. Nice, guys. Our disposal food waste disposer is working now. I'm so happy it's working. This is very useful, guys. Our disposal garbage disposal for the incinerator. So nice to have this in your home, and very useful. So I'm glad my husband was the one who making this. So thankful that it's working now. Yes, I love it. Now it's working. It's take almost a month I did not use this. Oh wow. I'm so glad. Yes, guys, thank you for my husband. He installed that this one. He installed this one. He installed it. He was the one who everything in our house. He was the one who installed it. See, it comes to the plumbing, everything. In our water, he's the one who making. Yes, guys, thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please watch our YouTube Mel Waltz Expert. Okay, thank you. Glad it. Say it again.
Like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell.
Yes, thank you. Watch our Mel Waltz Expert. Thank you, guys.